How to impress your wife when she is angry. When your wife is angry, it's important to approach the situation with empathy and understanding. Listen to her concerns, apologize if necessary, and communicate openly. Offer a sincere apology, show appreciation for her feelings, and give her space if needed. Small gestures of affection, like cooking her favorite meal or writing her a heartfelt note, can also help in showing that you care and want to make things right. Here are 15 ways to impress your wife when she's angry. Listen attentively. Give her your full attention and let her express her feelings without interruption. Apologize sincerely. If you've done something wrong, apologize genuinely and take responsibility. Give her space. Sometimes she might need time alone to cool down and process her emotions. Write a heartfelt letter. Express your feelings and appreciation in a handwritten letter. Plan a surprise date. Organize a surprise outing to show that you're putting effort into making her happy. Cook her favorite meal. Prepare a special dinner at home that she loves. Offer a massage. Help her relax with a soothing massage after a stressful day. Take care of chores. Help with household tasks to ease her burdens. Send her flowers. A bouquet of her favorite flowers can brighten her mood. Plan a romantic gesture. Set up a candlelit atmosphere or create a cozy space for quality time together. Express empathy. Let her know that you understand her feelings and are there to support her. Surprise her with a small gift. Find something thoughtful that she'll appreciate. Watch a movie or TV show she likes. Spend quality time together doing something she enjoys. Engage in open communication. Ask her how she's feeling and discuss ways to resolve the issue. Show consistent effort. Make it clear that you're committed to improving the situation and your relationship. Remember, the goal is to demonstrate that you value her feelings and want to make things better. Every situation is unique, so choose the approach that best suits her personality and your relationship dynamics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.